Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Topical Talks for a new tutorial video. And in this video, we will learn how to redeem gift cards on Roblox. So firstly, you have to open up your browser and in the search panel type Roblox and go to the first Roblox website. Now click on the Robux section. Scroll down in this page and click on gift cards. At the top of this page, you will see an option called Redeem Cards. Just click on it. And in here, you have to input your gift card codes to redeem them. So I'll input a sample code. After that, click on Redeem. Now you must complete a CAPTCHA verification. And after you have completed the CAPTCHA verification, the card will be redeemed. Thank you again for watching the video. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next video.